How to add multiple currencies in your Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add multiple currencies in your Shopify store. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's get started with the process without wasting any time. So first you have to come to this settings option, and once you click this settings option you have to search for markets over here. Just keep scrolling, and here you can see there's this markets option. Now these are some active ones, and I'm going to add a market over here. Here you have to click add countries or regions, and just click and click and click and keep adding the countries you want to add the currencies of. This is a demo video, so I'm just choosing any of these, and then you can also search for specific countries over here. You can select as many as you want and click done. Once you click it, just enter a name for your market. I'm going to write international, and then what you have to do is click save over here. So that's how you add currencies to your Shopify store. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.